Imagine holding a camera so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so unbelievably powerful that it threatens to destroy an entire multi-billion-dollar action camera empire overnight. For years, content creators, thrill seekers, adrenaline junkies, and professional filmmakers across the United States and around the world have been trapped in a vicious cycle of incremental upgrades, thermal overheating, micro SD card corruptions, and broken promises. We have been forced to accept tiny sensors that choke in low light, battery drain that cuts off our most epic moments mid-adventure, and software stabilization that warps reality instead of smoothing it out. But what if the engineers in Shenzhen just decided to drop a nuclear bomb on the entire industry? What if the long-awaited leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 prove that the giant hasn't just updated camera, but completely rewritten the laws of physics for mobile filmmaking? What you are about to discover in this video isn't just another speculative rumor or a collection of random forum threads. It is a full-scale breakdown of internal engineering leaks, supply chain blueprints, FCC filings, and confidential prototype test reports that reveal every single secret DJI tried to hide. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Because what we are uncovering today regarding the DJI Osmo Action 7 will fundamentally change how you shoot, edit, and share video forever. And if you turn away now, you will be completely left behind when this device hits the global market. The absolute epicenter of this leak revolves around the hardware marvel that DJI has allegedly engineered into the core of the DJI Osmo Action 7. For almost a decade, action cameras have been crippled by the physical limitations of tiny imaging sensors. When the sun goes down, or when you step into a dense forest, standard action cams produce noisy, grainy, useless footage that looks like it was shot on a flip phone from 20 years ago. The leaks for the DJI Osmo Action 7 reveal an extraordinary leap to a massive, custom-calibrated 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with an ultra-wide custom optical array featuring a groundbreaking dual-aperture mechanics system. Think about what this means for a second. An action camera capable of physically shifting between f/1.8 and f/2.8 on the fly, dynamically adjusting to blinding snowstorms on the slopes of Colorado or pitch-black night trails in Moab. The sensor architecture isn't just bigger, it's vastly smarter, incorporating stacked dynamic range technology that captures 14 stops of true dynamic range directly in hardware without needing fake software HDR algorithms. This means no more blown-out skies, no more crushed shadows in high-contrast environments, and a level of depth of field that makes action footage look like a Hollywood feature film shot on a cinema camera. If the sensor upgrades sound revolutionary, the internal processor driving the DJI Osmo Action 7 is nothing short of terrifying for the competition. Internal leaks codename this chipset the Neural Core G3 processing unit, an AI-dedicated engine constructed on an ultra-efficient 3-nanometer architecture. Why does this matter to the everyday creator? Because processing power is the bottleneck that has held action cameras back from shooting true, uncompressed 8K video at high frame rates. According to leaked test logs, the DJI Osmo Action 7 can seamlessly record 8K resolution video at 60 frames per second in full 10-bit D-Log-M color space without throwing a single overheating error code, even after an hour of continuous recording in direct sunlight. But the real magic happens when you drop down to 4K resolution, where this neural core unlocks a staggering 240 frames per second in full uncropped resolution, an astounding 960 frames per second super slow motion mode at 1080p, backed by real-time AI optical flow reconstruction that eliminates motion blur and frame tearing entirely. Every drop of water, every grain of dirt thrown up by a dirt bike tire, every split-second movement of an extreme sport is preserved with hyper-realistic sharpness that will make viewers on YouTube double-check if what they are watching is actually real life. Let's talk about the nightmare every action camera user hates most: thermal throttling and battery failure. We have all experienced that soul-crushing moment where you are in the middle of an epic run, look down at your camera and see a red overheating icon before the device completely shuts off. The leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 reveal a radical rethink of thermal dissipation and power management. DJI has reportedly patented an internal liquid vapor chamber cooling mechanism that wraps around the processor and battery bay, effectively channeling heat away from the core components and dispersing it across the outer armor frame. Paired with this thermal breakthrough is a brand-new solid-state silicon-carbon battery pack rated at an astonishing 2,200 mAh. This revolutionary chemistry allows the DJI Osmo Action 7 to operate in extreme sub-zero temperatures down to -20°C without losing voltage stability, offering continuous 4K recording times exceeding 3 full hours on a single charge. No extra battery grip, no external power packs hanging off your helmet, just raw, continuous, reliable power that keeps going long after you run out of energy. However, hardware is only half the battle, and where the DJI Osmo Action 7 truly alienates every rival in the market is through its unbelievable stabilization and AI-assisted tracking suite. For years, we relied on mechanical gimbals or heavy cropping digital stabilization systems like RockSteady that sacrifice your field of view just to keep the horizon flat. Leaked firmware documents indicate that the DJI Osmo Action 7 features RockSteady 5.0 Ultra, an advanced hybrid system that combines hardware sensor shift physical stabilization with real-time gyroscopic predictive AI. The camera literally anticipates camera shake milliseconds before it happens, adjusting the physical sensor on a micro-axis mount while simultaneously applying zero-latency algorithmic horizon balancing. Whether you do a full 360-degree barrel roll while skydiving or ride down a brutal mountain bike trail covered in exposed roots, the footage from the DJI Osmo Action 7 remains locked, level, and eerily smooth as if the camera was floating on an invisible cloud. Furthermore, leaks reveal that DJI is introducing a mind-bending subject tracking technology straight out of their flagship drone lineup into the tiny housing of the DJI Osmo Action 7. Termed Active Track Action Pro, this system uses the integrated neural processor to lock onto human targets, vehicles, pets, and fast-moving objects without requiring a smartphone connection or external apps. Once locked, the camera uses its ultra-wide field of view to dynamically crop and center the subject in real time, allowing you to mount the camera completely stationary on a tripod while it virtually pans, tilts, and tracks you as you move across the scene. Imagine setting up the DJI Osmo Action 7 on the side of a skate park or a basketball court, walking away and letting the camera execute complex, professional camera movements automatically, producing finished, perfectly tracked cuts directly out of the box ready for broadcast. One of the biggest leaks that sent shockwaves through the tech community involves the storage architecture and internal connectivity of the DJI Osmo Action 7. How many times have you missed a once-in-a-lifetime shot because you forgot your microSD card at home, or because a cheap memory card threw a write error halfway through a recording session? DJI seems to have heard our collective screams because leaks confirm the inclusion of ultra-fast integrated internal storage, a high-speed 128GB NVMe solid-state chip built directly into the main board of the camera. This internal drive boasts read and write speeds exceeding 1,000 megabytes per second, easily handling high bitrate raw video files without a hitch, while still retaining a microSD slot that supports expanded storage up to 2 terabytes. You can record directly to internal memory as a backup or use it as your primary storage when you're in a rush. To complement this insane storage pipeline, the DJI Osmo Action 7 integrates Wi-Fi 7 protocols alongside built-in cellular eSIM technology. Yes, you heard that correctly. Rumors strongly point to independent cellular connectivity inside the DJI Osmo Action 7, enabling creators to broadcast live 4K streams directly to YouTube, Twitch, or Kick from anywhere with a cell tower signal, completely free from the tether of smartphone or mobile hotspot. To truly understand why the DJI Osmo Action 7 is being heralded as a generational leap, we have to examine its physical design, structural durability, and revolutionary mounting systems revealed in leaked patent diagrams. The body of the camera is crafted from an ultralight aerospace-grade magnesium-aluminum alloy, making it significantly more drop-resistant and structurally rigid than previous polycarbonate models, while remaining surprisingly lightweight. The camera features dual high-brightness OLED touchscreens on both the front and back, but with a massive twist. The front screen now spans edge-to-edge with virtually zero bezels, boasting a peak brightness of 2000 nits. This means even under direct, blinding desert sunlight, framing your shot, reviewing clips, and adjusting settings is completely effortless. Underwater adventurers will also be thrilled to discover that the DJI Osmo Action 7 has upgraded its native waterproofing depth rating to an incredible 25 meters without requiring any external dive housing. Equipped with a pressure sensor that automatically displays dive depth, water temperature, and underwater color correction profiles on the screen in real time. Audio quality has historically been the Achilles heel of action cameras, usually forcing creators to buy expensive external microphone adapters, bulky cages, and wireless transmitters that ruin the sleek form factor of the camera. The leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 reveal that DJI has engineered a revolutionary solution by integrating a multi-directional 3-microphone array featuring active hardware wind reduction and direct dual-channel receiver capabilities. What this means in plain English is that the DJI Osmo Action 7 can connect wirelessly to up to 2 DJI mic transmitters simultaneously without needing a USB receiver plugged into the side of the camera. You can simply turn on your wireless mics, pair them instantly to the camera's internal chip, and record crisp, isolated studio-quality dialogue directly into your video files, while the camera's ambient microphones capture surround sound for background atmosphere. For creators who shoot vlogs, automotive content, interviews, or extreme sports commentary, this single feature eliminates hundreds of dollars in extra gear and saves countless hours in post-production audio editing. Let's dive deeper into the incredible software capabilities and intelligent shooting modes that leaks suggest will be packed into the DJI Osmo Action 7. Modern content creation demands versatility across multiple social media platforms. You might need 16:9 widescreen footage for a full YouTube long-form documentary, but simultaneously need 9:16 vertical video for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. In the past, creators had to choose one format or physically dismount and rotate their camera. Leaked documents indicate that the DJI Osmo Action 7 utilizes an almost square 1 to 1.1 inch sensor aspect ratio, allowing creators to shoot in a massive open-gate native resolution and then losslessly crop into horizontal, vertical, or square formats inside the camera or during post-production without losing a single pixel of crisp detail. Furthermore, the camera introduces AI-driven automatic scene recognition that instantly adjusts color balance, shutter speed, and ISO profiles based on whether you are underwater, riding in snow, walking down a neon-lit street at night, or filming a sunset over the ocean, ensuring that even complete beginners can capture professional-grade imagery with a single touch of the record button. Another crucial leak that has filmmakers celebrating is the complete overhaul of color profiles and dynamic range capabilities inside the DJI Osmo Action 7. Standard consumer action cams are notorious for over-sharpening footage and pumping up color saturation until grass looks neon green and skin tones look orange. The DJI Osmo Action 7 addresses this by introducing a full 12-bit log profile, dubbed D-Log Pro, offering complete color flexibility for professional colorists working in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. Paired with this is an integrated ambient color temperature sensor on the front of the camera that continuously reads environmental lighting, preventing those annoying color shifts that happen when you move from bright sunlight into deep shade during a single continuous shot. For creators who want stunning results straight out of the camera without spending hours in editing software, DJI has included customizable LUT support, allowing you to add your favorite color grading presets directly onto the device and preview them on the screen while you are recording. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: ecosystem compatibility, and the brand new magnetic mounting architecture leaked for the DJI Osmo Action 7. One of DJI's greatest strengths has always been its lightning-fast magnetic quick-release mounting system, which allows users to swap the camera between chest mounts, helmet mounts, tripods, and suction cups in a fraction of a second. The leaks reveal that the DJI Osmo Action 7 takes this concept to the next level with a magnetic lock system featuring integrated power and data pass-through pins. This means future accessories, such as motorized pan bases, extended battery handles, external audio modules, and macro lens attachments, can snap onto the bottom of the DJI Osmo Action 7 and instantly transfer power and data back and forth without needing short, annoying cables dangling everywhere. This modular design effectively transforms the DJI Osmo Action 7 from a simple action camera into an infinitely expandable, ultra-compact cinema rig that scales with your creative needs. As we look at the broader market context, the launch of the DJI Osmo Action 7 is set to completely disrupt the status quo and push rival tech giants into a corner. For years, the action camera market was dominated by incremental yearly updates that offered tiny, uninspired tweaks while raising prices on consumers. But the sheer volume of high-end features packed into the DJI Osmo Action 7, from the massive sensor to internal storage, eSIM streaming, 8K recording, liquid cooling, and seamless wireless microphone integration, proves that DJI is no longer interested in playing defensive. They are aiming for absolute dominance across every single creator demographic, from casual family vloggers and weekend warriors to professional Hollywood stunt crews and viral extreme sports athletes. The leaks suggest that despite these massive technological advancements, DJI intends to keep the pricing structure surprisingly competitive, offering a standard package and an action-packed combo bundle designed to completely destroy the value proposition of competing brands.